In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer domain ownership on GoDaddy. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser it could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. You'll find yourself at this page. If you're facing any issues with the language of that page, you can just scroll down at the bottom of it and make sure to select the language from here. Of course, you will select the country region and even change the language with it and even the currency if you want. You can go back if you want to log in into your account if you have one, and if you don't have an account, make sure to go and log in into one. Sorry, I get into the help. So you can do those two options or one of those two options from this. You'll find the sign in option and the sign up option. If you have an account, log on into it, but if you don't, go and create one. So as we said in the beginning of the video, is we would like to transfer the domain ownership. So if you want to do that, we'll have to go to the GoDaddy transfer page. We'll not need that page anymore. At this point, we'll have to go and open another page. Make sure to type here dcc.godaddy.com and hit the enter button now. That will take you into this page. Of course, if they ask you to log in into your account again, just go and do it. It will not take a lot of time. And of course, from here, if you have a lot of domain names, make sure to select any of them that you want to transfer the domain ownership of. Once you selected those, of course, if you found here like a transfer option, that will be cool. Good. Maybe you have like a wide screen, but for other people, you have to select more. And of course, here, make sure to select transfer to account. Here, of course, they will take you to into this page. As you can see here, you will find the available domain that is available to transfer. Here, just enter the recipient's email address, and here we enter it. Of course, those two first options are mandatory, and this third option is optional, which is the recipient's customer. And of course, here, do you want to copy the current domain contact information to the new account? Make sure to select yes or no, whatever suits you. Then, of course, send the transfer request, and that will not happen immediately. You'll have to wait like a day or something like that, at least. So as it will take like maximum, not at least, it will take maximum like 1 day to transfer, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.